Hello. If you are looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you know, my focus is early retirement, and after doing research, I found that building digital assets online is the way to go. I've already started this journey by starting my YouTube channel. So, let's get started today. Okay, guys, so today's topic, we're going to talk about the 7 steps to creating a winning mindset. I'm not sure if I ever really talk about a winning mindset on my channel. I do talk about um, how your mindset has to be in the right place in order to be successful, and how you need to believe um, in yourself before starting your business. So, this is just a few things that can help you get started so that you can keep the right frame of mind as you work on your business daily. Okay, so if you're interested in information like this, just keep watching. So, let's get started. Define your why. Why is it that you're starting this business? I know for me, it's early retirement. For you, it could be a vacation. It could be to save for a home. It could be to start a business and retire early. Whatever your why is very important that you write that down. It's very important that you understand. And it has to be a strong why so that it keeps you motivated. And when you write that down, you read that every day to keep close by you so that'll keep you on top of your game while you're still creating your business. Make a plan. It is very important for you to have a plan on what do you plan on doing for your business. Um, what your business is going to consist of, who is your target audience, how are you going to market, are you going to bring anyone into your business to help you? You want to have a plan of action so that you can stay on track with your business. Get an accountability partner. It is very important if you're the type of person where you need someone to push you and to motivate you on a daily. It's not a bad idea to get a like-minded person to be your accountability partner. You're gonna need someone that's gonna uplift you, and you can uplift them as well. You both can be each other's accountability partner. You want to uplift each other. You want to give each other advice, but be sure that when you pick that accountability partner, that accountability partner is looking to uh, or is in the process of working towards the same thing you're working towards. It don't have to be the same business, but at least the same um, mindset and the same uh, a goal that you're trying to achieve. Visualize. People don't realize how important it is to visualize your business. And when you visualize, you want to visualize the outcome, the end result. Like, already see yourself in the position of have already created a successful business. You want to visualize how once you've gotten your business to a certain level, what are you doing? Do you see yourself buying an office building and expanding your company? Do you see yourself taking the money from your other business and putting it into another business and starting another business? It is very important to take time out and visualize, and you want to do this daily. Just think about it. It is very important that you have a clear goal. That clear goal, you want to write it down. And those goals can be anywhere from monthly, weekly, daily, yearly, every 6 months. But you want to set a deadline for each. When you put these goals down, it would help to keep you on track. And it will also help you to realize what are you working towards and how much time you have. And it'll keep you working. It'll keep you moving so that you'll know where I need to be at a certain time. It is very important to create a daily routine. If you can create a daily routine, that would help you to stay on track. And it will also help you master your skills and all the ins and outs of your business. Once that routine becomes second nature, then you are able to hire other people and delegate because you already know what it is that you're looking for, what needs to be done in your business in order to make your business run smoothly. I know what you might be thinking. Make a plan for when you fail. Yes, make a plan for when you fail. And the reason why I say this is because not everything is going to go your way. It will not. I promise you it won't. But that's not a bad thing because when you fail, that's a lesson. And all those lessons do is make your business and yourself stronger. It keeps you from quitting. So make a plan for when you fail. So if, for instance, you might say, well, I'm trying this marketing technique, but it's not working. So what is my next step in order to figure out what's going on so that I can correct this? It's not about giving up. It's not about, oh, it failed, so I guess I just won't do it. I'll start something else. No, make a plan for when you have something in motion, it doesn't work out. Have a backup plan, of either what other method you can try or what else it is that might be going on that you can figure out so that you can fix whatever issues you're having. This here is also one of my weakest points, and I am so glad that it's getting better and better. I will tell you, I am not at 100% of being consistent, but this is the most important thing to any goal that you have, whether it's business, health and fitness, anything that you're doing. You need to work on anything that you're doing according to your business daily. You have to be consistent with what you're doing. You have to show up in spite of yourself. And like I said, once you put a routine into place, you can have others. You'll be able to delegate a lot of that work out to others so that your business is constantly being run in spite of yourself. Guys, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for returning to the channel. And if you are new to internet marketing and looking to retire early, then check out my number one business model that I am using to grow my business down in the description box below. Check it out. Get started. I guarantee you won't be sorry. Please remember, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you feel that this information is a benefit to someone else, please share. Okay? And again, as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.